Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the right blank. Dense, dry wood concentrates low harmonics and reduces ringiness. Once you pick the piece, mark the central longitudinal node and the tongue locations so vibrations travel cleanly. Begin by flattening faces and removing bark to create a stable bridge contact. Then route shallow cavities for the tongues, cut progressively, not all at once, so you can gauge pitch changes. Make sure to preserve wall thickness, where resonance needs to reflect energy back into the... Now you focus on each tongue. Undercut the base to free up flexion, because the root controls sustain and fundamental strength. Once done, test pitches and raise them by trimming at the tip, lower pitch by thickening or adding wood epoxy. Use a chromatic tuner and listen for even harmonics. If overtones are uneven, symmetrically tweak adjacent tongues to balance timbre. Make sure to alternate hitting soft, then harder to hear transient and sustained changes, which reveal where material must be removed. Finish by stabilizing the instrument. Apply 2 thin oil or lacquer coats so the wood won't shift and detune with humidity. Once cured, install bridge and experiment with small felt or rubber dampers under tongues to tame unwanted sustain or boost attack. Play scales and adjust damper placement until tone sits right. If you hear buzzing or dead notes, make sure mounting bolts are snug, relieve any sharp edges, and inspect for hairline cracks. Fixing those often restores lost resonance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.